wonderful. Can you hear me, Chitali?
Yes, we can hear you.
So I would like to first thanks to Chetali for and congratulate her to creating such a wonderful platform where people can connect from different part of the country and outside India also. So it's a great opportunity for everyone. And secondly, for inviting me as a speaker, uh, because Chetali is like very close to my heart. She's a sweetheart. Anytime she tells me that you have to do this, I can't say no. Today also I have a session at 6 o'clock, but I still said I will definitely join in. So thank you so much for the honor, Chetali. And I want to start with the saying which really inspires me, and I think it inspires everyone who listen to it. अपने कंधों पर ही जिंदगी जी जाती है, अपने कंधों पर ही जिंदगी जी जाती है, दूसरों के कंधे पर तो जनाजे उठते हैं. So this is what I strongly believe that we should look at, because generally we talk about situations outside. Now also we are in lockdown, there are a lot of difficulties outside, but still we can focus on our own selves, our inner self. So like if we talk about transformation versus change, so I would like to know if someone can tell me what is the difference between transformation and change.
You can
Hello.
unmute. You all can unmute yourself and speak if anybody wants to answer to this.
Yeah, because if it will be an interaction session, that will be more interesting rather than I am only talking.
Yeah, change can be for anything. Transformation generally is for the better. That's what I think.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else have a opinion about what is change, what is transformation?
And change is, I think, temporary. Transformation is forever, permanent.
For me, I can say the change is only one thing which is constant.
Okay. Anyone else?
Just speak down.
Change could be temporary and
Hello.
I feel change is something from the outside, and transformation is from within.
Correct.
Anyone else?
Can I answer?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Change is like which happens through belief, and change can happen through externally, as it said. And also transformation means like you're evolving, and transformation means like you're evolving and you're getting better. Changes can be bad or can be good.
That's a good answer. Okay. So I think combining all of you or what you have said is change is change is the reality which happens every day, every second time is changing, but change is temporary. Again, it's from external sources. The transformation which happens is permanent, because when we talk about transformation, we are talking about our conscious and unconscious mind, transforming. There is a part of our mind which start expanding when we talk about transformation, because we are doing a lot of inner work. How a cocoon is transformed into a beautiful butterfly, that is all inner work. If you see, there's no external force. Change has happened, but the transformation is done within. So we have to decide whether we want to transform or just change, according to the situations. We change our looks according to the designs which are in trend. So those are temporary things. So we are looking here for permanent shift in your mind, permanent growth in your mind. So And whatever we learn lot of stuff. There are a lot of stuff which is there on the internet. There are a lot of people who are training, teaching, preaching lot of stuff. But if we learn and just leave it, then it's nothing. Learning without implementation is nothing. So we should transform to we should learn to transform, and that will happen only when you start implementing. For that we need to make choice. you know if we don't make the choice, our choices which we make today is the blueprint for our tomorrow. If we make choice today that I will get up early in the morning and exercise, but when my alarm rings and I put it on snooze saying, let me sleep for half an hour more because this sleep is very important, I really feel nice sleeping for that half an hour. So what we are making a choice for not to be being fit but sleeping for more half an hour. We make choice to be more on social media or doing something creative. So these are the choices which we make today will decide our transformation which is going to happen tomorrow, the blueprint of our desired life. We generally, and the main important part after making the second step after making the choice is the consistency. If I am not consistent in what choice I make today, then also I will not get result. If I exercise one day and tomorrow again I'm skipping it, it's not going to work. So two things is very important for transformation. That is the choices you make and the consistent you are in that choices. Generally, research says that there are three kind of reaction which happens on your brain. One is like listening to a motivational speaker, listening to some YouTube video which will tell you you should think positive, you should do this, you should do that. And we generally, what we do, we think we are all charged up, pepped up, saying, oh wow, that's nice, I want to do this, I will be living my life the way the person has explained in the video, or I have heard someone talking. Then it's like we start, and but that is called the chemical reaction which happens. So that is temporary, that will last for maximum 24 hours. That 24 hours भी नहीं होता है, हम थोड़े 4-5 घंटे में ही we feel कि okay, I am done, I am back to square one. Okay, so the second kind of reaction happens on your conscious mind. That happens when you start repeating. You make a choice, you are consistent in that, and you are repeating that thing again and again, at least for 21 days, because 21 days we create a habit. Why? Because in 21 days there are new cells which are produced by our body, and those cells are informed already that this is the new habit or this is the new pattern I have created. And the third one, which happens by changing your belief system, that happens on unconscious level. We all want to have good amount of money, we all want to be rich, but there are category of people, lower middle class, and upper middle class, and then the wealthy rich people like Ambanis. So why there is a difference? Because there are difference of mindset. Because I when I meet clients, they talk about money, they want to be rich, but they resent money, they resent rich people. They will say rich people are not good people. um, Aiming for money is being greedy, you can't have that much of money. If all these beliefs are there in your unconscious level, so how you are going to be rich? आपको मैं एक हुक पे बांध दूं और बोलूं कि आप मैराथन रन करो, you won't be able to do it any which ways because you are stuck there only. So we have to work on our unconscious. So there are 3 steps towards your transformation. First is chemical reaction, we will not touch it. The second and third is very important, how you are working consciously, what choices you are making, and how you are transforming your unconscious by changing your mindsets and beliefs. So I would like to share my story in brief. I was born in a very small town where there was no English medium school, and all my cousins used to be in all the metro cities. They were studying in English medium. They were not allowed to talk to me because I never used to talk in English, because I was in Hindi medium school. So I was like always looked down. I was always being told that you can't do anything, you are useless, you don't look good, this, that. Earlier, that the things which were told to me by society, by my family members, relatives, and then slowly that voice became my voice. So I started talking to myself in a negative way, that I can't do anything. I used to get shiver when I used to talk to people. I used to be living in my own shell, not talking with people, not talking my issues or my problems with anyone, just dealing with it myself. And I got married. I delivered my elder daughter. During my younger daughter pregnancy, I was given some wrong medications which affected me, my health. My muscles were gone for a toss. My weight from 47 kgs became 89 kgs, and I used to look like a baby elephant. And I was being told by doctors that I can't go back to the uh, you know I can't go back to the normal self. I might be bedridden. But then I got into spirituality. I started meditating. I start to do NLP, this, that, lot of stuff. My journey started from there, and I did lot of inner work in that scenario. I accepted my own friendship request. So, so then the journey started. In 2017, I went for Mrs. India. I was second runner-up. Then 2019, Mrs. Universe Asia Queen. And plus, I am being transforming so many lives. So this is what my journey is. You have to do a lot of inner work to evolve in a particular situation. And also it depends what you are talking to yourself. Are your talks are positive, motivating, or negative? You are demotivating yourself, because whatever you talk, you are giving a presupposition to your own mind. So that is what, in any situation, what are you focusing on? Whether you are focusing on the positive side of it or the negative side of it, because what are you focusing on will decide your course of action for future. So that is very important. So that's why, in the lockdown scenario, I have launched a course, online course, which is like 7 days lockdown transformation, and we are doing amazing work there. A lot of people we have in the group and enjoying a lot. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that focus on transformation. Focusing on transformation means that you are doing a lot of inner work. You are paying close attention to what you talk to yourself, what you tell to yourself. Sometimes we are very positive on the outside world, but when we are talking to our own self, we are very negative. We, in any situation, we feel, oh, I can't do it. I am like, if someone wants to exercise, and they will first only say, oh, I can't get up and do it. That's not right. So I can't deal with it. So that time only you are giving a presupposition to your mind that you can't do it. You give up there only. You even not gone to step ahead to try it, to do it. Only you gave up when you're talking to your own self. So this is what I wanted to convey through my story, so that people can understand that if I can do it, where as a child I was like body shamed, told a lot of negative stuff, I can evolve. Why not others? And it doesn't happen from outside, it has to be from within.
Okay. So, any questions? Anybody? Hello?
I want to ask one
Yeah.
question.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sneha.
Hi, Sneha.
Hi, Navnidhi. I am in your group.
The day has arrived for something new. So after such a nice session of transformation, So let's go with this transformation and we also transform something in we. Okay. So let me share my screen. I will not announce immediately. Let me share my screen. I think Chetali, you will have to give me the.
I've made you host. Now you can share the screen.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So I will run you all with this presentation. Okay. So what is this? What exactly is this?
You can unmute yourself and talk.
Together. Being
We grow
together.
together.
Growing
Grow
together.
and progress together.
Yes, yes. So we started with very few people, like we can see. Then it had a network, and we wants to help the world with its networking and helping women and other businessmen to grow. So what is this part? What it shows?
Go up.
So it shows that
Slow.
to progress, you have to do something different. Correct? So to progress, we have to do something different. So here we announce that we goes online.
I request Sanchali to mute the other participants, please, since you are the host.
Okay.
Except me, yeah.
I am not very much used to this Zoom, so anybody can help me from where I can do that?
So we request all the
Con-
members
Go
to
to the
mute. Chaitanya request all the members to go on
members.
mute.
You mute yourself. The members
Yeah,
can.
members, please mute yourself so it becomes easy. Thank you.
Okay. So we goes online, which means we are launching with a multi-vendor e-commerce website, v-online.com. So what does that mean? So many questions in the mind. So it is now you sell your products, you use your V platform to display your products, like you are sending through WhatsApp, you are through FB, you're posting and all those things. Now you yourself can be using the website to display your products and sell through our website. It's a multi-level vendor e-commerce, which means all V members can be onboarded in this platform to display their products in our website and also sell through the website. And same applies for the services. Those who are owning any kind of services like travel services or any other services, they also can use our website for that. Do you know what TownScript or Book My Show is doing? Or you can unmute and tell. Okay. So TownScript or Book My Show, you are using their platform to book the tickets. You are using their platform to book for the event. It's the same way. You will be selling your products and services through our V online platform. And how it will help the trainers. So there is a question, how it will help the trainers. So trainers can also use our platform for listing their workshops and webinars. We will help in promoting through the platform, and we will go into the details and the benefits of the platform. So we go to the next slide. can anybody tell why we are why online shopping is important? Why online shopping is important? Can somebody answer, please?
Because we get we get the delivery prompt, and we get to know the product in detail, because online shopping, they have the total information about the product in and out. So we come to know the product in and out very nicely, and we really come to know whether we need it or no. No,
Correct.
means whether this product is totally useful or no for the purpose what we are buying it. So I think that's one of the plus point of online
Correct,
shopping.
correct. So with the current scenario, we now definitely know why it is important to work online. And every day now online shopping has become important because now we cannot go out. So we will be doing the online shopping. So it is online shopping is convenient. Then the better prices, more variety, as just now you have answered, that we can know what we need and what. There is no sales pressure because people there will be no salesperson to sell you. You know what the product is. You can go through the product very well. And then if there is anything which is damaged product or anything, so you get it at very minimal prices, which we may not accept when we go out to buy something. Even the privacy for the discrete purchases, like there are some private things which we may not want to go out and buy. Everything can be done online. So with this background, I'll just run you through the website so that you get to know how the website looks. So this is our website, v-online.com. So it has all the information about V. It has each and every detail about V, what is V platform. So it is like anybody in the world, if they know about something of V, that if you have told anybody that I'm working in V, I'm associated with V. So anybody can Google, okay, what is V online? Let's check. And they can get all the details with where you are actually associated. So I will not take much time. You can just go through all the tabs which are there. I'll come to the important part, which is the V store. So V store currently will show only few products because it is only few products that we have launched. Once we have you all onboarded in the system, then you also can display your products, display your services, display your webinar. We will help you in posting the webinars and all the details here, which automatically will get posted to Facebook. So this e-commerce platform has a common something in Facebook that gets merged. So this is the V store. So I'll help you to get into all these particular products which are there. So we all know that for the V membership, like V paid membership, to get the V paid membership, somebody don't want to directly buy from outside. They can just directly come here and they can buy from here. Now to display the product and sell the product, I'll just run you through what exactly it is. Suppose any non-V members wants to display their product here. So they can just they will come to this and they will be seeing what is the annual subscription and what is. So if you're already a V member, so there will be the display, and this online store will be having the different pricing. It is the pricing for the non-V members, which you can see here. It's for the non-V members. So this is the product or services display. Then I'll come to the important part, that is the training part. Okay, so again, for the training, if somebody wants to use this platform for listing and promoting their training workshops and the webinars on the V platform, you can, some non-V member can directly come here and they can just enroll and take the annual membership on this platform, and then they can start promoting their training and everything here. So if you're already a V member, this pricing will be the different for everybody. Okay, so this is what the platform is, and I'll show you how the training or the webinar will look like in the V platform.
હવા મળે ને ઓક્સિજન મળે પાછું તો દોસ્ત થઈને એટલે બોલાય માસ્ક પહેરીને 15 મિનિટ રમી આવો અરે આખો દિવસ તો બેટા બહુ ઘર ગુસ્સો
Members, please go on mute. Members, please go on mute.
એટલી વાર હોય
Please.
Members, please go on mute.
45 minutes 5:30 વાગે અઢી કલાક વિડિયો ન હોય પડે ના મારે કેટલા બાકી પડે વિડિયો બધી compound interest है तो
Okay, so I'll just show how the this will look like. The V meetings and the webinars will look like in the V platform.
ये तो के ना હોય એને ના આવડતો હોય જે પપ્પા ફોન જો તો કરવાનું
Mansi ji, can you please go on mute? Thank you.
So for trainers, this is how the meeting will look like. So I've just created just a sample V networking meet, and the person can either this is in the V platform. If you can see, this is in the V platform. So the person can join through the web, join in through the browser or join in through the Zoom app. So this is how your webinar and your workshop will look like inside the V frame. So we go back to the presentation. So these were the few features that that are there, and I'll just tell you how easy it is to work on this platform. So this is how the back end of the platform will look like. I'll just come to the vendor part, which is what the vendor will be able to look into it. Okay, So this is the vendor part, wherein you will be given whoever takes this for display of the products and the services, they can just log in from, there will be a login ID and password. They can just log in, first register, and then can just log in from here. And once they log in, then see this comes as become a vendor. So once he becomes a vendor, he has to do the registration for becoming a vendor. What is the store name, username, password, just like what you create your any Gmail account or any account. So you do that. So once that is done, you go inside the store setup. You set up your store. So once you set up your store, you have to give what is the payment mode, how you can make the payment, how the customer can contact you, how you will be shipping your product. It is just one time, whatever the information and you can change it anytime, anytime you can just change it. Whatever is the payment setup, how you want the payment from the vendor, and all such details that you will have to enter at the beginning. And then you will be able to see a dashboard. This is the dashboard wherein every month on month, how much was your sales, and how you can add your products from here, and all customers and all these things you will be able to see. So we will be giving the detailed presentation of this particular product when if somebody enrolls, and we will be having a group, and we will be giving a detailed presentation of the product. So I'm just running you through the vendor part. I'll just log into the demo vendor, like I've just created for a vendor, how the platform will look like. So you just log in inside that, and you go to your store, that is your shop. So this is your shop. You can see there are products already in this. You can just go through the products. This shows whatever the sales. See, these are the products that are there. So these are the products. Suppose this is a shoe and all those stuff. This is just the test products that are been created. These are the products. You can see the prices. So once somebody buys a product, it comes in this product tab, and all those things are there. An important part is you get to see the dashboard, which has all the details of whatever is the bookings and whatever the things are there. You can add a customer from here, and anything, if there is a payment pending, what is a refund required. So we'll be giving the detailed version of this. So this is your My Store, where you can just add your products, add your services. If you're into services, you can add your services. So this is how your store will look like. This is a sample, which does not have much. So this is how the store will look like. Somebody can go inside the store, and also somebody can, from Facebook also, you can just these all things will go to the Facebook. The products will go into the Facebook, in the V Facebook, Women Entrepreneur Facebook. From there is a V Online shop. It will get interconnected there. So somebody can get an inquiry from there as well. So I'll again go back to the presentation. So this was a short demo of the product, because detailed product and explaining how the product will go, we will take in some other session. So now, why weonline.com? What are the benefits of the weonline.com? So easy seller registration process. Why easy seller registration? Because you have seen just a one click, just like you create a account, Gmail account or any other account, and with the normal Aadhaar card or any other details, you can just enter and register. Then there is a seller dashboard, month on month, how much sales you have done, how much revenue you have got, everything will be available. You can list 100 products with the minimum transaction fees. And it's a trouble-free management, because we from backend, we are already there with you. for giving the backend support for your products. So this is the auto build product SEO. This is a very important point because what is SEO? It is search engine optimization. So we have prepared, like I have developed this product in such a way, it has a auto SEO. Like if somebody is searching V and want some product, it will automatically give the suggestions of the products. So search engine is optimized. So it has the automatic facility in that. Then this is one of the important, that FB e-commerce marketing in the FB online V store. So this products will get connected to the V online store, which is there in FB, and automatically from there also, from FB also people can buy. And then there is advertising and promotions. So as you all know, we is already doing the advertising and promotions. So currently what you are doing, your advertising and promotions. What is the change? The advertising and promotions, everything will be taken care from the website. Then the seller support. See other website, if you're already into some other website, so the seller support and backend support is not that good because you don't know who exactly is there at the backend. But here, you know, marketing is handled by Chaitali, IT, I am at the backend. So you know the face of the backend support. So zero risk of fraud because we all know each other. So there is no fraud risk like any other e-commerce website. And here you know what exactly you're getting, because there are many hidden things in other e-commerce website, but here you know what exactly you're getting. And the website is very user-friendly and uncomplicated. So webinars and workshops, promotions will be directly through the V online platform. So there will be posts that will be created. All those things will be created whenever there is certain trainings or workshops is scheduled. So these are the benefits. Some benefits which are not listed here. We may come with a app in future, V online app, wherein somebody can download the app and just order the products. We are also thinking of automating the shipping thing. Currently shipping stays with the vendor. Vendor will have to arrange their shipping and everything. But in future, once this grows, once the lockdown and everything, like we are in the normal situation, we have a plan for the shipping as well. So now comes the important part, which is pricing. So being existing V paid members, so you can just get this whatever, if you want the product platform, if you want the service platform, or if you want the trainers platform, anything if you want, you can get this completely for an annual price of 590 rupees only. And if there is somebody who is a non-paid members, like in Pune we have too many non-paid members. For them, they get this in 1180 because they will have to pay the V paid membership, which is 590 additional. And after 30th June, this is for all who is already a V member, it is 1180, and we saw in the website it is 1500 for others. And paid membership, anyways you know it's 590 rupees. And there are certain conditions that are there. The fixed transaction fee for product, services, trainings forum is 10%. Service charges to conduct the training webinar through V online platform will depend on the number of participants and level of involvement required by the support team. So we come to an end to this presentation. So the platform is now open. I'll stop sharing. Now it's open for the questions.
I'm sure there are a lot of questions, and we request you to please ask questions. We need to clarify.
Can we get the details through email so that we can sit and just go through? Because Sanjali, you've explained very nicely, but there are certain points which might skip from our mind, and then we think about iska kya, uska kya. So can we get a...
So one thing is that the PPT can be shared first. And the second thing is that the website is already live.
Okay.
You can just completely go through the website.
So PPT can, if possible, share through email or something.
We can share that.
Yeah, we can share that.
Okay. And how will the trainers get the benefit? Because I am not into a product field. I'm a trainer. I'm a dance trainer. So I need to introduce my workshops. So again,
So
I have to.
basically, Sneha, let me tell you. So this is like just like product listing, product 100. Like for example, Vedi, for example, Ruchi is there here. Ruchi, she has got hundreds of products. Okay. So now if she wants to list, she can list 100 products in this platform. And as she's listing these products, he online पे वो promote होगा.
Okay. No, what about the trainers? Like
coming to similarly, the trainers also can list hundreds of trainings throughout the year.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
like for example, just giving an example, I think Kalyani, she is doing a lot of training programs. People, Snigdha is doing a lot of training programs. She is here, so she can list at minimum, I mean maximum 100 training programs throughout the year through this in this platform. And just like the town script and all, the other book my show people when they can do the bookings over here. So ये क्या B platform में उनका वो दिखेगा. So B being a brand and the training is happening. So this is a listing of those training programs.
Okay, fine.
Am I clear with that?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Anything else?
Hello,
Anybody,
Chaitali ma'am.
Yes, beta, bolo.
Mr. I am into the gifting of that plants and copperware. So
Yes.
if there is another person who is selling these plants and copperware, so there will be competition, right? So how will I get benefited of it then?
Let me tell you, if you see in Amazon also, there are a lot of products you have seen in Amazon.
Yes, I've seen.
So definitely people are competing there also.
Yes.
So here also you have to be very smart enough कि क्या हो रहा है. Product listing जब आप करोगे, दूसरा कोई plans बेच रहा है, आपको देखना पड़ेगा क्या costing है, क्या है, आपको देखना, उसके हिसाब से आप अपना cost में कुछ percentage discount दे दिया, अभी members को कुछ discount दे दिया. You have to do all those
And moreover, this is for sale for everybody around the world. And you yourself can manage your product. You can put beautiful pictures of your product. You can give the what others may not give. So it's a competition. Definitely it's a competition. Okay. So you
just
have
like today what we are doing, like today you are there in WhatsApp group, you are there in Facebook group, but today the platform V is using WhatsApp and Facebook ka. Okay, God forbid, I'm sure this will never happen. अगर कल Facebook ने बंद कर दिया हम लोगों को, तब क्या करोगे? That is the reason हमने अपना प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप किया, तो तुम लोग का ये सिक्योर्ड हो गया. ठीक है. अब ना रही बात, now there have to be a difference. Okay, now people may think मैं 590 yearly तो दे रही हूँ, फिर से इसमें 590 में क्यों दूँ? Correct. That's the question. Some people have this question. Okay. So see, 590 membership जो आप yearly दे रहे हो, ये हम बीच में इतने सारे programs कर रहे हैं, training programs कर रहे हैं, admin कर रहे हैं, बीच में ये आपको हम there are a lot of operational cost. Okay, so that is and हम लोग आपको कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग आपको promote करते ही हैं. That is where and the platforms V और Facebook platform आप खुद promote करते हो. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आप अपना प्रोडक्ट लिस्टिंग कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे वी अपनी तरफ से भी प्रमोट कर रहा है आपको, और वहां पे आप सेलिंग भी हो रही है आपकी. Is it clear?
And moreover, also one more thing, that you can just list your product. You can just give the link to somebody else around the world that yes, this is my product. This is the link. You can just go directly to the link and pay over there. Yes. There is no question of WhatsApp or just giving the Facebook. And if that person is in Facebook, will know you, or it is like it is open. And main thing is that SEO we have made in such a way that it will be keep on coming over and over for all the products. And definitely we is also promoting. So will be promoting this website. So I'm sure whenever somebody Googles V online will be coming first in future.
Is there any limitation for the products?
No, 100 products you can put. There are no up to 100 products.
Okay, no, every day we need to, or is like
No, it is.
weekly or something as such?
No. You can put any day. It is annually 100 products. Annual.
Okay.
Shweta is writing now. Truly, V is glorious. Yes, Shweta, with all your support, definitely.
So I have a question, I just want to know if I want to display any product, uh, is that product should be like photo shoot like, with a photographer, or I can, it is like some e-commerce website, they prefer to get the product which should be with on shoot out with the models. If I use mannequins and the
No,
for my
nothing like that.
like I have, yeah,
Nothing
that's
like
what I
that,
want to know,
nothing
because
like that.
in the e-commerce website it is very specific. You have to shoot out the picture with your whatever product you have. Like I have sarees, so I have to shoot out with models and all that. So here if I want,
Yes.
then I have something new came and I want to put that saree into the mannequin and I want to display that product. Can I do that?
Yes, you can do that. It is not like other e-commerce product, because we have tried to make it so user friendly that it is actually used by the V members. Actually, it helps V members. It is not like e-commerce just professionally doing things. This is to help all to grow. So the first thing which we had as our background is that we all grow together.
Someone is writing, now we can help each other with product review and feedback. Yes,
Yes.
definitely. When you are writing feedback of your anybody, अभी क्या हो रहा है, आपका WhatsApp group में आप reviews लिखते हो, लेकिन कोई देखता है नहीं देखता, लेकिन किसी यहाँ पे the entire world is looking at your product review.
And the reviews, the star rating and everything will be there. So accordingly, you can just click. If somebody is reviewing the product, if there are more number of reviews, they can read out the reviews and then decide whether to purchase or not.
Yeah, that's what my point is, Sanchali, that this is more reliable review, right?
Yeah, more reliable review, correct.
Someone is asking, I just want to ask that I deal in Tupperware mainly and other household products. Can I post different products also? Yes, you can definitely post 100 products, total 100 products you can post.
So once
so you can list 100 products. You have to list your products there.
So once all the product listing is like just the details I have, so accordingly the categories, I will be helping you out to make the categories background. Currently I have not made any categories because once the people are onboarded, so I will be knowing, once they are onboarded, I will be knowing into which product they are. So accordingly the product category will be created. And you can just, once you onboard, your category will be there, you can start listing your product.
Sanchali, video advertisement is also possible. Someone is asking.
Video advertisement is possible in the way we will help you in posting, creating a post for that, which will be there for 1 or 2 days on the website.
Okay. Now I will also tell you that this is the after you are, people from you are enlisting your product, or I mean you are taking this and you want to enlist your products and you are taking this annual subscription of this, we are going to do a proper training so that you can use it. Okay, so just don't worry about that. You will be trained thoroughly.
Everything we will be training, like how to add your product, how to give the discount, how to create a coupon for the discount coupon, and all the details, like everything, how you will be using your dashboard for to check how many sales you have. Everything we will be giving in detail.
Yeah. Mansi, can you please switch off your Sanchali, can you please unmute her?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
Shweta, it is. Shweta is adding, yes, our very own Amazon. Yes, Shweta.
Very own Amazon, yes.
So it is on Amazon.
Yes, of course. I'm so excited.
just go through the website and please give me review because it's completely developed by me.
Of course.
She is working. You know, we were supposed to launch this on 18th of March. We were supposed to launch. She has worked day and night for this. I mean, you know, those
My goodness.
done a lot of work in this. Lot of work has gone through this. Okay. Krish is writing, Chaitali ma'am and Sanjay, I will need help. Yes, of course, Krish, you will definitely we will help everybody.
Yes, we will help everybody. We have to go together. That's the motto.
Poonam is writing, Chaitali ji, we are happy to be associated with. We thank you, Poonam. Sanskrit, I'm planning to make my own website, but you have done my work, so thank you, Chaitali. Okay, so Sanskriti, now see that this is another point Sanskriti has added, that now you don't need to make your own website to show your products. Your products is seen here with just 590 rupees. Okay.
Exactly. My husband was behind me from last 2 months. जब से platform start हुआ है, just make your own. And I was really very lazy nowadays. So I said, हाँ बनाती हूँ, and now I'm happy. Now I'm telling him, yes, I have my own website.
Just imagine for creating any other website outside how much they charge. Even I'm a website developer, so I charge accordingly. But now we are giving it just you have to give an annual membership. It's just nothing.
Exactly. That's what I am so happy after this announcement.
Okay. There is one more question, Sanchali. The only product, those who are in education, how they display their product. Sanchali, can you please answer this?
So those who are in education, which means they are in the training and the forums, right? Trainers forum. So you can list your whatever you are doing, whatever work you are doing. So whatever courses are there, like I am a owner of Merrycode.com. So what courses I have, I can list my courses in this Veep website, and those courses will have that category. So okay, coding is the one category. So in the coding, those courses, mathematics. Okay, mathematics is a category. Tuitions, mathematics tuitions, English tuitions. So all those categories will be created, and accordingly, if there are some other English tutors, they can also post in their English as a category as an English tutor. So then there will be a review that will be checked by the people. Okay, so this teacher is good, this teacher is not having a good review, this teacher is having so many good reviews. So let's try this teacher. So these kind of thing can happen. So, but only thing is that they will be onboarded in the trainers forum.
Okay, Rakhi is asking, when is the training going to happen? Rakhi, yes, training will happen as soon as at least we have minimum 20 to 25 registrations. जब तक because we एक साथ हम training देंगे सबको, तो registrations जैसे ही आते हैं, because 30 June के पहले अगर registration होता है, तो you are getting this at 590, otherwise it's at 1180. So probably after 15 June we will have our first training. Okay. Later on we'll have weekly. We can have training. We'll see how the registration. If we have.
We need more number of registration to conduct the training, because if I'm conducting the training, I will need more people, because I will be investing the complete 1 hour to give that particular training, and I want to give a training in such a way that everything is there, like you are understanding each and everything, so that you can just start working immediately.
And it will be hands-on training. आप अपना खुद उसी समय अपना एक product list कर सकते हो. इस तरह से हम लोग करेंगे.
Okay. So I have one question. Since I'm into jewelry, so I come up with lots of designs every week. So can we list every week? How often can it be listed? Like
anytime.
Okay. It is your website, like you will be creating a product.
Will be vendor in a V website.
Yes,
right?
you will be a vendor in a V website. So as a vendor, you can create, and only thing is that we will be having the approvals processes there. It is all inbuilt process. You need not follow up also. It is the inbuilt process, but you can do it anytime.
Okay.
Poonam is writing, it's our Indian Amazon Swadeshi. Yes, Poonam, yeah. Atmanirbhar.
Atmanirbhar now. Now V is Atmanirbhar.
Sanchali,
I just have one question here. Like before the training, the website will be launched, or
it's already launched.
It's already launched.
It's already, when you Google v-online.com, you are able to see the website.
Okay.
We launched it yesterday.
ठीक है, I'll just go through it.
Okay.
Kavita is asking if we are selling 2-3 products, can we? Yes, Kavita, you can list 100 products, Kavita.
Chaitali, one more question. One more question. I want to ask about the delivery. Like Amazon, they take the delivery responsibility. Here, what I have to do, I mean, if I want to send it to my customers, so I have to send it by myself, or is there anything else or any other options?
So currently, as we mentioned, that we have not tied up with any delivery or shipping person. So currently, the ownership lies with you for shipping and everything. But definitely, we have a plans on that, and we will be coming up with that plan. So once this is live, once this lockdown thing is little bit freed, then we are anyways tying up with the different
Customer wants to return that item.
So everything will be handled by you. It
By
is
the
your
seller.
customer. It is your customer.
This is
you are handling.
basically, it's your website. It's your own website. You think in that way. It's your own website.
Okay, okay.
More question here.
Someone is adding, as someone mentioned, that if you have same products with more people involved, pricing is going to matter and lots of chaos can happen. What can be done for that? See, Hetal, as we all know, Amazon, for example, has thousands of products of the same category. So someone is selling at 100 rupees or someone is selling at 200. Depends, actually. You know, nothing can be done about that. You have to, you will have to do something extra for the marketing.
So when we saw the picture, you remember the picture with people pushing the boxes and one pushing the red ball.
You will have
so
to
you have to be something
unique,
different.
Yes.
It's already there in the website that you have to do something different. You have to be in the competition.
If I list a workshop on the website, will it be pre-recorded or live or both? Kritika is asking. Sanchali?
See, this is for the listing of your workshop. So you can list your recorded workshop as well. Okay, but this is more of promoting and listing. It will not be having the web, the whatever you have already created, the videos and all. It can be posted on demand, and the post remain only for 1 or 2 days, not more than that. You can list whatever workshop is there, but your own workshop, you cannot just put the video as a product. You cannot put that.
No, but Sanchali, see, if that video can be put as a product.
No, video cannot be put as a product. We can definitely post it as one of the videos, as a promotional video. So it will be posted in the website, inside the frame of the V.
Someone is adding, if the product exceeds 100, so then we will see what to do next.
But that Chaitali will decide.
So yes. So any more questions? So we can take it offline because we have a lot of people waiting for their
so I have my classes. I have my classes, so I will have to leave. Chaitali, I have made you a host.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. So I am leaving. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Kritika Raheja.
Hi.
Hi, Kritika.
Hi. So my company is Atelier by Kritika Raheja, and I mainly focus on handmade home decor items and functional art. Functional art is art that you use on everyday products. So it could be a clock, it could be a tray, it could be coasters, it could be a pop socket. So I hand make all of this, and that is what I do. Currently, because of lockdown, I'm also doing a lot of Instagram videos and Instagram live sessions for everyone that's free. And we've been doing a lot of pen art and a lot of watercolor paintings and everything. So I'll just show you some of my products. that's just something that is really pretty and cute. It lights up and it's got a motivational quote inside. So this one just says smile, but I have a bunch of other quotes as well. These are phone grips. I don't know if you can see too much.
Okay,
And
yes, we can see.
yeah, and they have real flowers inside them, so that is kind of really cool. This is a coaster which has Starbucks coffee beans inside, and
Beautiful. Very nice, Kritika.
Thank you. And it's all completely heat resistant, dust resistant, scratch resistant, everything. This is a clock I'm working on currently, and these are real shells, and I'm going to add real sand down there. So it's just going to look really beautiful. And this was a set of posters that I worked on for Holi. So it was for a Holi gifting hamper. So it went really well and it was really fun to work with. And that's another tray. So as you can see, a lot of my work is very beachy themed and a lot of like nice beachy stuff. That's because I believe in a lot of art therapy and a lot of color therapy, which talks about how blue kind of calms you down as a person, and it just makes you feel nice and serene in comparison to a lot of pop colors happening. But at the same time, I also incorporate whatever the client wants and also use a lot of color therapy for my clients. So that's what I do. Please follow us on Instagram. My Instagram handle is atelier_by Kritika Raheja. And stay tuned for exciting stuff.
Thank you, Kritika. And I would request you please write down in the chat box about your contact details.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. Is Yogi from Pune there? Yogi from Pune, is she there? Okay. Priya Acharya. Gayatri Sood from Kolkata. Jyoti Nayak, I've seen. Jyoti is there? Jyoti? I saw you, Jyoti. Where are you? You can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Hi, how are you, Jyoti? We would like to see you on International Yoga Day.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm booking you now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm Jyoti Naik and I'm yoga trainer, and I'm running my yoga classes under the name Jyotirmay Yog. I'm a certified trainer and have experience for last 7 years. I've been training, and I've trained nearly over 200 students till now. And in my yoga course, I have a combination. I take combination of traditional yoga, power yoga, and therapy yoga. Now, what is therapeutic yoga? Therapeutic yoga is I address two problems such as knee pain, then back pain, convulsions, depression. So I have many testimonials who have really benefited from this. And now I'm currently running classes in Marol, but now I've started online Zoom sessions also. And I have a good news for our V members. I'm giving first 2 sessions free. So you can just try on, you can see if you like it, and then only you can join me. And my fees are only 1,100 per month, so it comes to nearly 13 to 14 sessions. Okay, and so you can connect me. I'm putting all the details on the chat, and you can contact me anytime. Thank you so much. And I thank you, Chaitali, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. And Sanchali also. And I'm so happy that the website has been launched. Even as someone said, I was also planning to launch my website, but then you have done my work. So I'm so thankful to you. Thank you once again, Chaitali.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. So we'll see you soon. Okay. So next we have Vrishali is there here. Vrishali Vaiker, Shilpa Kadam. I think Sanskriti is here. Sanskriti, I saw you. You
Yes.
can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I can. Hello, I'm Sanskriti Pandya from Sanduk. I am in handmade jewelry. Basically, I'm making jewelry from different raw material like fabric, marble, and stones, which are very eco-friendly. And now I'm planning to make very much my product from copper and brass, just because it's a very uh, disinfecting very less time, and it's very useful for our body also. So follow me on Instagram as a Sanskriti Pandya, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanskriti. Thanks a lot. Gauhar is there? Gauhar, is she there today? I couldn't see Jane as well. Minakshi Singh had. Is there Minakshi Singh? Kajal, I have seen you. Kajal Dandwani is here. I have seen you. Kajal, you can unmute yourself, please. काजल जी, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. काजल जी, हेलो काजल जी. काजल जी, okay. Mithu Bhattacharya, are you there? Mithu Bhattacharya. I think I've seen her, Mithu Bhattacharya. Yeah, Mithu, you can talk about yourself.
Okay. Hi everyone. This is Mithu Bhattacharya.
One second, Mithu. Minky, just tell Kajal, I think she's not able to switch on the video. So after Mithu, she can come and speak about herself. She's there already.
Okay.
Yeah, Mithu, carry on.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Mithu Bhattacharya. I'm basically a fashion designer and owner of a sari boutique named JM Collections. We deal variety types of silk saris mostly. So like kathas, tasar, gicha, silk linen, and all those traditional silk saris. And we deal with some cotton silk, viscose silks also. But I have my own workshop also. So where we do lots of job work like hand painting, screen printing, block printing, acid painting, spray painting on sarees, and we give our own design to those sarees. Like if the customer has any requirement, they like some designs. In recent, you can see the organza. There is lots of designs comes in organza, off-white organza. There are lots of floral designs and motifs and all that. So customer sometimes wants it in silk because organza is little fluffy, and if someone is little healthy and bulgy, they look more fat. So if they wear silk sarees, it is not transparent, and as well as they're very lightweight, and it can give you a rich look. So my customer requests me to make those design on silk sarees, so I can it on tasar, on katan or Murshidabad silk, and whatever it is, I can make it for them in customized way. And these are my specialty. If anyone requires any kind of silk sarees or designer silk sarees, please connect with me. Or people who are sari lover, just connect me with them. So, and Sanchali also for this wonderful session. It will fulfill many of our dreams. As I got to know from many of us, though I have my own website, but I have seen there is no survey. Though I have my commerce website, but people generally, if it is not like Amazon and like Myntra or Flipkart, like we is a name, brand name. So people will come and search here, and I think we will be able to sell our product in this platform, and we will able to do very good business. whatever website, I think everybody will not get response if they have their own website. But it is a joint venture. I hope this will be successful, definitely.
Definitely,
Thank
people
you
will
so
also
much.
keep on
Thank you,
writing the
Chaitali.
views, which is very important. People will keep on writing views, and entire world will see that. So that's very important.
Yes,
So can we
yes,
have
that is
Kajal
important. That
online?
is
Thank you,
important.
thank you, Vitu. Kajal, can we have you? Kajal
Thank
ji,
you.
Kajal ji, Minky, did you tell her?
हाँ दीदी मैंने कॉल किया था but she is not picking up that call.
Okay, no worries. Is Meenal Patil there? Shimul Bhatt, Meenal Patil. Preeti. Preeti is there. Preeti, can we have you, please?
Hello.
Yeah, Preeti.
Hi, Chaitali.
Yes, Preeti. Please introduce yourself.
Little bit nervous, dear.
Why?
Hello. Hello, myself is Preeti. My brand name is Pankudi. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
My brand name is Pankudi, and I deal into lehenga choli sets and a variety of dupattas. And I also deal into cotton kurtis, which are actually summer friendly and fast colors, and also lowers. So you can, my dupattas are all typically from Rajasthan, Udaipur, Jaipur, and all, and with a very good pricing. So you all can just come forward and just have a look. And I'm very happy that you all launched the V platform for us. So thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you, Preeti. And let me tell you, girls, I have purchased a beautiful lehenga from Preeti.
Yeah.
I was supposed to wear on 18th and I couldn't wear it.
Maybe by the next function you'll be. I hope to see you
Yeah.
with it. Okay.
Is Supriya there? And those who have introduced, please write your contact details on the chat box. Supriya there? Supriya Koprade from Pune. Sulochana. Neelu Agarwal, I think I've seen her. She's there? She's there? Anupama Padi. Sushma, are you there? Nehal Damani, I have seen. Nehal Damani. You're there now? Nehal?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, switch on your video. I'm not able to see you.
Hello.
Yeah, where is Nehal?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, switch on. Yeah, switch on your video.
My video is on.
Your video is not on.
No, it's on. Yeah, it's on.
We are not able to see you.
I've got a little network issue here because.
Okay, you can speak. You can speak in this. Yeah. Yeah, Nehal, speak about yourself. Yeah, Nehal. I think some network issue with Nehal. Okay. Amisha Shah. Amisha Shah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi.
Amisha.
Okay, I'm visible
Okay.
now.
Wait.
No, not now.
No, you're not
Nehal.
visible.
I'm not visible yet.
And now you're visible.
Yes.
Yeah, fine, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, hi, I'm Nehal Damani. My webpage is NM's Creations. I'm basically a trainer. I conduct various workshops and I'm certified cosmetologist. Like I conduct workshops on teaching people how to make cosmetic product and like creams, scrubs, entire facial kits, shampoo, and all the organic products basically. Right now, it is very much trending in the market organic, without sulfate, without paraben. So like soap base, cold processed soap. So I'm into training people how to make all these things. And basically, I'm not into making so much, but I do take part in exhibitions. Then I do make my products. And I'm into other training also, like decoupage, resin art. I'm into various types of training, and I have taken almost certification into whatever field I'm into training. And as of now, I'm taking all my workshops online since last 2 months. I've created all the modules and doing under the closed Facebook groups. I conduct all the workshops.
Great. Great to see you, Nehal. I think we just connected few days back. Last time you missed actually.
Yeah.
So just write your contact details over here. Okay.
Okay.
And we go to someone else. Yeah, Amisha. Yes, Amisha.
Yeah, and my name is Amisha Shah. I'm into diamond jewelry, and my firm name is HB Shah Private Limited. We are there from last 4 decades, and we make customized diamond jewelry. We don't have a shop, but if you can get a jewelry, we can make it for you according lesser than a market rate. And we can give the best quality diamond what is required by us. That is our trademark.
Amisha, I have a question. If we have some jewelry and if we have to redesign, do you help?
Yeah, we help. We help.
Okay. Thank you.
She has a big team, Bradula, so you can definitely connect her.
Okay, fine.
Amisha, just write your contact details, yeah?
Yeah.
So Hetal Mumaya, thank you, Amisha. Hetal Mumaya, can we have you online?
Yeah. Hi, friends.
Hi.
My name is Hetal Mumaya, and I make Splash customized homemade herbal soaps, shampoo, face wash, body wash, and homemade sanitizer, which is very much effective because it's used by each and everybody in the community. I make the soaps totally customized according to your skin type. So if you're having a dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, or with pimples, I work according to your daily activities, like how much you go out and how much you stay at home. So every person will be having a different kind of a soap. Like say, if there are 4 people in the house, everybody would be having different skin requirements. So the soap which I make, I first study like what is their whole activities, and then I make it according to them. Now in regards to shampoo and face wash, they all are just regular, it's for regular use and it can be used by anybody. The sanitizer which I make is also user friendly because I make it with 70% of alcohol inside, which is very much effective and it doesn't harm the skin at all. Thank you so much. And I would like to say I'm very much happy associated with V, and everybody is very, very supportive. And whenever we have any events in V, every time I get a very, very huge response. So thank you, Chaitali, and to the whole V team that they always support each and everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And Hetal, and let me tell you, Hetal is a person, Hetal, Amisha, they are the people who are always, any event, they are always there. So Hetal, Amisha, Minky, Seema, who are always regular in the various events, are you, don't you think that you feel motivated after various webinars? Can you give some message to other members that they must join these webinars and why?
I would like to say one thing, that usually we all women have this conception that women are always jealous of women. But there are very few people who, like me, who has experienced it, that it's not every time that a woman would be a enemy of a woman. Because in the V community, I've noticed that everybody is there to support each and every one, no matter, even if your business is not doing well or if there's any kind of confusion, everybody is always there to help each other, because that is very, very important. If you've seen other groups, because I am a part of like n number of groups, but the satisfaction what I get in this group is like, because we all are connected to each other, we all know each other. because this is a platform where we can see each other, we can communicate with each other, we can meet through regular interviews, because of which it becomes like a very family bonding with each other. So that is one very much a USP for this group, that everybody supports each other. So you have to remove that conception from your mind that women do not support women. In this group, everybody supports each other, no matter whatever kind of situation you come up with. Thank you so much.
And that's why we say we grow together. Okay. Thank you, Hetal.
It's truly said.
Next, we have Poonam Gehani. Poonam ji.
Chaitali, once you are done with the whole list, so just give me 1 minute. I want to speak something from my
Yes, I will. Definitely. Definitely, you are there. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Chaitali ji. Thank you
Hello.
very much. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, Poonam ji. Boliye.
I'm Poonam Gehani. I'm a manager with Tupperware. I'm dealing from last 22 years, and I have taken all the possible trainings, like organizing kitchens and all. And now, in this time of virus and all lockdown, we can't go out to buy the groceries and all. So Tupperware is helping people to store their grains and which doesn't get spoiled and helps you to manage your kitchen smartly. Cooking pans also we are in water and oil, which is healthy, and we show recipes also online also. I'll be happy to do that for you all. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Poonam ji. So next we have someone new. Shweta Prabhu from Pune. Shweta Prabhu from Pune. This is the core team of Pune. Shweta. Your voice is breaking, Shweta.
I'm having a network issue. Sorry, ma'am. My network is good today.
Hello, Shweta. I think you.
Yes, ma'am. My network is not good today.
Okay, okay. You can put your details on the chat
Yes,
box.
ma'am. Yes, yes. Okay.
Rakhi Jivrika. Rakhi, can I have you, please?
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Rakhi. How are you?
Hi.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. I hope all of you are fine.
Yes, yes. Great.
I'm Rakhi Jivrajka and I'm into jewelry designing and jewelry consultant. So since lockdown is on, I'm offering lots of deals. So check out my page on Facebook and Instagram by the name of Deval Jewels. And I've started consulting since lockdown is on. So I'm seeing people are, I'm taking on online session, live session about the outfits to be maintained with which kind of jewelry. So in this way, so I'm excited I'm looking forward. I'm getting nervous. I don't know why.
Why? We are all. See, we. There is nothing to nervous. हम लोग सब अपने ही हैं यार. We are all a family. We is a family. Come on.
So excited to look forward to have a session in June. So thank you.
Good. Thank you, Rakhi. We have Ruchi Srivastav. In fact, everybody knows her. Ruchi, please. I think people from Calcutta, Pune, they don't know you. Ruchi. Ruchi Srivastav, can you please unmute yourself and come here? I think. Hello, Ruchi. अनम्यूट कीजिए रुचि अपने आप को.
और मैं भी हमेशा 2 साल से बीच से जुड़ी हुई हूँ
और मुझे सबसे अपना ग्रुप ऐसा फील होता है। और मैं इसका कोई भी वेबिनार में जो मैं कभी नहीं कहता, मैं बहुत कुछ सीखी और मुझे पहले से ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है। तो और मैं ये बोलूँगी कि आप सभी लोग वी के हर वेबिनार में ज्वाइन जरूर करें, कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलता ही है। और मेरे कंपनी ट्रूली मिथिला में हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी आर्ट का मेरा प्रोडक्ट रहता है। साथ में अभी जैसे अभी दीदी ने कहा ऑनलाइन, वो भी मैं भी सोच रही थी, लेकिन अभी मेरे लिए इजी हो जाएगा। और तो उसमें मैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को और अच्छे तरीके से दिखा पाऊंगी, क्योंकि हर समय एग्जीबिशन में जाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, फैमिली को छोड़कर हर कुछ एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है। तो शायद ये प्लेटफॉर्म से मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा। तो इसके लिए मैं चौताली नीति संचालित को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Seema.
I agree
Thanks
with
for all the
Seema.
support.
I agree with Seema because for a person like me, I have to always travel very very far. मतलब मैं मुलुंड में, आप लोग सब अंधेरी में, तो मुझे ऑलवेज ट्रैवलिंग के लिए इश्यूज काफी आते हैं। लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी का वेबसाइट, इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर मी ऑल्सो, कि मेरे लिए भी प्रोडक्ट को डिस्प्ले करने, एंड इट विल बी मच मोर इजियर फॉर मी। थैंक यू सो मच for it. Yes,
thank you so much everybody for all your support. I think we are over, and only Mridula ji, before let me just check once more if someone else is there, then I will hand over to Mridula ji. I think all are done, hopefully. Yeah, yes, Mridula ji, after you speak, I will talk about our upcoming events. Mridula ji?
Yeah, Chaitali, my heartiest congratulations to you and the whole team, because this was a great gift and a very unexpected gift which you have given it to us today. So, though you know I am technologically, I am absolutely challenged. I really have to put a lot of efforts to learn all these things. I have understood half of this thing, but I know that it is a great thing which you have given to us, and this is coming from my heart for Chaitali. Chaitali, I have seen you. You are such a simple-hearted person, and very simple, and you help everybody to come forward. So I really looking forward, and I know that we'll all grow together under your guidance, provision, and all. Thank you so much.
Mridula ji, thank you. It's not under me. It's all together with me. I mean, you know, we are together. In fact, I am following you all. You know, actually, I follow you all.
Source who encourages everybody. You know, अगर अकेले रह जाते हैं तो हम शायद पीछे रह जाते हैं कभी, लेकिन टीम के साथ और एक लीडर हो तो आप जल्दी आगे बढ़ते हो. So thank you.
Yes, absolutely right.
Thank you so much, Mridula ji. I hope I have done with all the introduction. Was कोई किसी का ये तो नहीं हुआ ना?
Last call to Ruchi दीदी, और एक बार रुचि का बोल कुछ.
Ruchi, are you there?
Unmute. Yes, she is there, but she is not unmute.
Ruchi, can we see you?
She got a network problem.
Acha. Okay. Anybody else is Kavita Sajdev? I can see one name over here. Kavita Sajdev, can you please unmute yourself? Okay. I think there is one more.
Hello.
Yes, Kavita.
Yes.
हाँ जी, बोलिए. कैसे हैं आप?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में पधारे हैं.
Yeah. नहीं, actually, I look all the WhatsApp and all, but I'm not able to come on it. Like, okay, I'm a consultant in Tupperware, and from 20 grams to 20 kg, I can provide any type of boxes to you for storing as well as for fridge items, everything. You can cut vegetables and put it in the fridge. That boxes are also there. And beside this, I deal in cotton dresses, only cotton throughout the year. So any type of cotton dresses or kurtis, or I have tops also, jeans top.
Bye.
Only
Thank you
cotton.
so much.
Can you please unmute others? Others, please unmute. We are listening to Kavita. Yeah.
anyone have any requirement of this sort, can just call me on my number.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kavita.
Thanks, Chitali.
You all, each of you, please put your details in the chat box, and I request everyone to stay tuned for our next talk show with Sharon Prabhakar, Hema Sardesai, Merlin D'Souza, hosted by international anchor Simran Ahurja, this Wednesday, 3rd June. Stay tuned for that. Then we have upcoming other events like stress management. We are also planning there is environmental day on 5th of June. We are planning one webinar on that day. We are also coming up with lots and lots of webinars. This Sunday, that is tomorrow, we have somebody very experienced person from corporate. He is owner of, he's a builder, he's a big builder. He is also having various business. He is into various business. I'm going to send details tomorrow 5 o'clock. Don't miss. Ladies, this is a time हम लोग को मिला है, हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि हम अपने आप को डेवलप कर सकते. मैं खुद, see, I also don't have, in our society maids are not allowed. I am doing everything, but I'm also still learning a lot. We are, each of you, हमको जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली ना, हमको रोज सीखना है. जितना हम सीखेंगे, जितना हम सुनेंगे वेबिनार्स, 1 घंटा, हम हफ्ते में 2 घंटे, 1 घंटे 2 घंटे इज नॉट अ मैटर. टेक आउट टाइम. मैंने सारे वेबिनार्स 4:30 के बाद इसलिए रखती हूँ बिकॉज आई नो ऑल वुमेन, वी ऑल ऑफ अस हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन द आफ्टरनून तक. सो ट्राई टू टेक योर टाइम. Get out of the shell. What did Navnidhi told us? Get out of the shell. निकलो और हम लोग को करना है. We have to. हम लोग को बैठना नहीं है. We have to go ahead. And I have got whole lot of plans. This time we have launched V Online, and there are lots and lots and lots are going to come. So अभी हम लोग सब मिलके बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, thank you, and I will be sending email IDs, phone numbers of all the participants who attended today to each of you. I will also do one more thing is requesting you, please talk to each other. मैं लिस्ट भेजती हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग बात कीजिए सबसे. मुझे सिर्फ अमीशा का डिटेल मिला और couple of people had spoken that I spoke to 5 people, I spoke to 10 people. Speak to people from Calcutta, speak to people from Pune. How many of you did last week except Amisha? और कौन थे, किसने बात किया? See, when you talk to people, you will feel motivated. I'll tell you my example on. मैं 1 महीना after हम लोग का 18 मार्च का इवेंट था, 16 हम लोग ने इवेंट को कैंसिल किया था. I know you must be knowing, जिस तरह I was really depressed. मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस में चली गई थी because मेरा बहुत पैसा अटका हुआ है वहाँ पे. सब मीडिया को पैसा दे दिया, होटल में दे दिया, सब कुछ that is there. But I was really depressed. But first month मैंने सिर्फ रेस्ट लिया. मैंने पूरा अप्रैल मैंने रेस्ट लिया. But now again I have started, और मैं आप सबके पीछे पढ़ती रहूंगी. Okay, so I'm after you because of I want you to grow. So it is we grow together. We have to grow together. अगर आप grow करोगे तो we grow करेगा. So I really want you to talk to people. 10 लोगों से कम बात कीजिए पूरे हफ्ते में. अपने ही बिजनेस के बारे में, वी के बारे में नहीं बोल रही हूँ, अपने बिजनेस के बारे में बात कीजिए. उनसे पूछिए उनका हालचाल क्या है, क्या वो ठीक है, कहाँ पे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अगर कुछ है तो. So please speak to each other, not only in Mumbai. Take नए लोगों से बात करो, कलकत्ता के लोगों से बात करो, नागपुर के लोगों से बात करो, पूरा. I am giving you the list. कौन देता है, आप कौन से ग्रुप में ये ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर सब आपको एक्सेल शीट में मिल रहा है. I am giving you, do that. So who all will be giving me the feedback on how many people you have spoken last week and who will be speaking next week?
I am.
I will do it.
I know you are there always. Anybody else?
I will do it.
Who is that?
Preeti, I'll do it.
Preeti, okay. And who else?
Chaitali.
Chaitali, I'll do this.
Yeah, even I will do it. I will also do it.
Within 2 days, I will do it.
I was the first one to ask you again and again, numbers bhejo, please numbers bhejo.
Yes, yes.
And I only got
I will
stuck
send you the
lots of work.
numbers by tomorrow. I'll try to see it today, but maximum because कल अपना एक और event है. Join tomorrow's event. आप मैं बता रही हूँ, the speaker is very powerful speaker we are having tomorrow. मैं details भेजूंगी.
प्लीज चैताली मुझे आपका मेल नहीं मिला है, वो जो फोन नंबर के लिस्ट का है ना, तो प्लीज
ठीक है, मैं आपको रीसेंड कर देती हूँ. You can or anybody can resend you. आपका email ID हाँ, ठीक है.
हाँ,
I will अभी एक काम करें सब लोग, हम लोग we let's do this. We are अपने videos open कीजिए. कविता जी, संस्कृति, श्वेता, please अपना video open कीजिए.
Sure, just a minute.
Madhumita is there. I just saw Madhumita. You are there. Madhumita ji, are you there?
Yeah, she was there. I saw her couple of times.
अब भी देखा है मैंने उनको. मैंने देखा ही नहीं था. Madhumita ji, are you there? So can we please switch on our video? I want to take this picture of V. Please do this V. I mean W.
Sorry,
I'll take one pic and I will request the other person to take a pic. Okay? I'll take one pic first. Ready? मीठू जी, आपका वीडियो ओपन नहीं है. Ready? Thank you. Someone can take one pic. Can somebody take a pic? Hetal, can you take a pic? Or anybody else? Minky can take a pic.
Okay.
Who is taking Minky?
I've done it.
Taken? किसने लिया पिक्चर अभी? मिंकी ने लिया?
Has someone taken or should I take?
मैं
हाँ, ले लो. पूनम जी ऐसा कीजिए, W कीजिए, W. पूनम जी, W कीजिए. Yes, correct. So can someone take a pic? Okay, so thank you so much. I want to see all of you tomorrow at 5. Okay, so it's all the webinars are free. जितने भी free के webinars join कीजिए, जिसमें discounted है वो join कीजिए. But please join because this is helpful to all of us. Tomorrow's speaker is very, very powerful. Let's join tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. And congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.